What happened now?
Oh, you're gonna love this. I wake up, the sun's shining, terrible terrors are singing on the rooftop. I saunter down to breakfast thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Okay, first of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character? And second, what is that thing you're doing with my shoulders? Yeah, okay, that's a truly flattering impersonation. Anyway.
What's that supposed to be about, baby? Go free up your vibe, stop